Hello students. So students, in the previous class we discussed about the ionic and the covalent bond. I hope you all understood. So in today's class also we will continue with the previous portion. That is, we will discuss covalent bond. Students, it needs lot of practice. Okay, so please practice. Now here we will discuss the bonding or the covalent bond in water molecule. So this is one molecule of water which contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Now this is hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Electronic configuration is that in K shell it has 1 electron. So it needs one more electron to complete its first shell, because in first shell there are 2 electrons. There are 2 hydrogen atoms, means the other hydrogen atom also needs 1 electron to complete its first shell. So in total the 2 hydrogen atoms needs 2 electrons. Now this is oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8 and the electronic configuration is in K shell it has 2 electrons and in L shell it has 6 electrons, or it has 6 valence electrons. Because what are valence electrons? The electrons which are present in the last shell. Now this is unstable because it needs 2 electrons to complete its second shell, because in the second shell there are 8 electrons. So what it does? Hydrogen also needs electron, oxygen also needs electrons. So from where to get electrons? And they cannot lose electrons because they are in need of electrons, hydrogen also and oxygen also. So they share their electrons. So this oxygen, it shares 2 of its electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms. So when it will share its 2 electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms, both the hydrogen atoms first shell will be complete and both the hydrogen atoms share its electron. Now in 2 hydrogen atoms there are 2 electrons. So both the hydrogen atoms share one electron of each with oxygen atoms. And oxygen atom needs how many electrons in the last shell? 2. So oxygen last shell will also get 2 electrons. Now let us see the formation of water. Here students, please see it. This is oxygen. These are the valence electrons of oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which is shown by green color. Just for your convenience, it would be better if you write the electrons to be shared in the center. You can write it other place also. There is no such rule that you have to write it in the center, but just for your convenience. Okay, so these are the 6 valence electrons of oxygen. Now let us take the case of hydrogen. This is 1 electron of hydrogen and this is 1 electron of another hydrogen atom. Now this hydrogen atom, okay, this first hydrogen atom, shares this electron with this oxygen. This hydrogen also shares its electron with this oxygen atom. Please see here, when it shares means this electron will come within the vicinity of oxygen. Can you see? Now if you see this, how many electrons oxygen is having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this oxygen shares this electron with this hydrogen. So please see here students. Now if you take this hydrogen, it will have 2 electrons. Oxygen shares this electron with this hydrogen. So this hydrogen is also having 2 electrons. So if this is oxygen, this is hydrogen, this is also hydrogen. So how many electrons are shared here? 1. So there will be single bond. How many electrons are shared here? So there is a single covalent bond in water. It needs practice, so please practice. Now you see here, if you take this circle, this is oxygen. If you take this circle, it is hydrogen. If you take this circle, it is again hydrogen. Now students, let us see the covalent bond in ammonia. This is the formula of ammonia. Ammonia, atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and the electronic configuration is, in K shell there are 2 electrons, in L shell there are 5 electrons. So here nitrogen needs 3 electrons to complete its last shell. Now another element which is present in ammonia, that is hydrogen. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and electronic configuration is 1. In K shell there is 1 electron, so it also needs 1 electron. Now let us see in total how many electrons are there. This is one molecule of ammonia. In one molecule of ammonia there is 1 nitrogen and there are 3 hydrogen atoms. Now how many valence electrons are present in nitrogen? In nitrogen there are 5 valence electrons, but the second shell is incomplete because it needs 3 electrons to complete its second shell. And even in the hydrogen also, the first shell is incomplete because it needs 2 electrons to complete its first shell. Now there are 3 hydrogen atoms. So in total, these 3 hydrogen atom needs 3 electrons. Each hydrogen atom needs 1 electron. So in total, these 3 hydrogen atom needs 3 electrons, and nitrogen also needs 3 electrons to complete its last shell. So each of the hydrogen atom will share 1 electron with nitrogen, and nitrogen will share 1 electron with hydrogen. How? I will show you. Please students see here. Actually this page is not so clean, but you can easily understand. This is nitrogen. How many valence electrons of nitrogen are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us say this electron is shared. Okay, this electron, it will be shared with the 3 hydrogen atoms. So we will write it here. Okay, you cannot write 2 electrons together. Okay, why? Because nitrogen needs 3 electrons. So 1, 2, 3. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 3. Here 1 is written, here 1 is written, here 1 is written, and it has 3 electrons. I hope it is clear till here to everyone. Now what will happen? This hydrogen will share 1 electron with this nitrogen. This hydrogen will share 1 electron with this nitrogen. This hydrogen will also share 1 electron with this nitrogen. So start from here, drawing, making a circle from here. Okay, I think you can see it. You know? Now see here, this nitrogen is having now in total how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So its last shell is filled. Now this nitrogen will share this electron with this hydrogen. So this hydrogen will also have 2 electrons. Nitrogen will share this electron with this hydrogen. So this hydrogen is also having 2 electrons. Nitrogen will share this electron with this hydrogen. So this hydrogen is also having 2 electrons. Can you see here? And this is your nitrogen. Now we will write, this is nitrogen. Here is one hydrogen. Here is also one hydrogen. And here is one hydrogen. How many electrons are shared? One single bond. Here and here, one single bond. So there is a single bond between nitrogen and hydrogen atoms in ammonia. I hope it is clear. So I will give you one classwork question which you will do now and submit the assignment to me. Please don't consult your book, okay? Because it needs practice. Please show the formation of CCl4 or CH4. Okay, the atomic number of carbon is 6. So please practice, and you can do either show the formation of CCl4, which is carbon tetrachloride, or methane. CH4 is methane and this is chlorine. So you can do any one. So in next class, we will start with carbon and its compounds. I will explain you the general properties of carbon. Thank you, students.